welcome to my channel. I'm Rochelle Miller, and today I'm gonna talk about how to remove your gel nails at home. I have been struggling with this since, well, I did it in September, around September 10. Yeah, it was a Saturday, September 10 in Panama. I was in Panama at the 15 years old party from my niece, Rose Callao. So we went to the nails, and I'm gonna put some videos and picture when I did my nails over there. But now I'm having a struggle to remove these at home, and I don't have time. I am a Spanish teacher, and the color of my school are green. So, and my dress that day was emerald green. So I tried to match the color of my dress. Also, when I'm back to work, I want to have the same colors. Now, I have three different colors here that I want to add it and do my own nails. I'm probably going with this one, which is a Morgan and Taylor. I love this brand. It's really good. But I need to remove this, so I cannot do my nails if I don't remove that. And I don't have time to go to the beauty parlor, so I just try to do it on my own. So the first thing we're gonna see, I was watching some videos, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is remove the nails with this kind of files. It's very strong, and you're gonna have to have different files, and I'm gonna show you. I have everything here since I study cosmetology. I have a large equipment, even the gel lamp, the UV lamp. But I'm gonna be doing my nails regular, no gel at this point. But I just want to remove that, what I have. So let's stop here. I'm moving the camera to show you what I have. Hola, soy Rochelle Miller. Quiero enseñarles cómo me hice las uñas de gel a natural. Cómo me removí todo lo que era gel después de casi 2 meses. No, 2 meses, porque me las hice en septiembre 12. No, para ver. Septiembre 10, sábado, en Panamá. Y fueron fabulosas, me duraron a lot. Solo cuando ya estaban muy largas, ustedes van a ver en el video cómo me las fui removiendo. Así que espero que vean este video. Aprendí cómo removérmelas y usé esta espátula, por supuesto. Van a ver lo que usé, y el 100% la acetona. La compré en Sally Beauty Supplies aquí en Texas, y usé al final mi Q-Tex favorito de Morgan and Taylor. Van a ver este video. Espero que les guste y que aprendan algo. Yo aprendí algo viendo otros videos de ver, porque no me las podía remover. Y yo dije, wow, algo está pasando aquí. Parece que ellos en el salón te la hacen socket en el algodón con el acetón de 100%, y te la ponen te la hacen un grab, con el silver grab. Y luego ya al rato te las remueven. Pero yo la hice de una manera muy fácil, y espero que en este video pues lo vean. Y vamos, va a estar en inglés, pero está fácil de seguir lo que estoy haciendo. Gracias por ver y hasta luego. All right. According by the videos that I was watching from other YouTubers, and I need this. Of course, I haven't already did it. You can see this one is still not do it, so it's very bright. But this one, I already tried to file it. As you can see, I'm removing all the shiny color, and we're using this one. But I have other more soft, and then this one. This one is a little bit rough too. So I have this one in orange. These one are the purple ones, which is I'm using this one right now. And I have a regular nails. These one are super soft. This is also to, at the end, you have to clear these with this one. And then I'm not gonna be using this unless I do my nails today, since I have time to remove that. Okay, you also need this to try to remove a little bit that color. And I have all kind of stuff, the regular file nails. This one is brand new in case I need it. It's a little bit rough, so I don't think I'm gonna need it since I am using this one. And I have this one is also a little bit rough. I bought a bunch of stuff. And then you have this also to remove this. And then I have cotton, and I have this to remove and clean all the dust. And I have all these to cut in case I need to cut anything. And of course you need to put something. This is my bed, so I'm gonna put something here, because when I remove this, it's gonna be a lot of dust, so I don't want to put dirt in my bed. And of course you're gonna need this remover. As you can see, this was old one I've been using, but I never use it for remove the gel one like this. This is 100% pure acetone, and I bought at Sally's their brand. Okay, let me show you. This one. This is Sally Beauty Supply brand, Beauty Secrets. Again, 100% acetone. And let's try now to see how we're gonna be doing this. As you can see, I cover my bed with these napkins because I don't want it to get dusty with this in my bed. So now I am just clean it with this brush, and then I'm gonna soak it here for a few minutes. Let's use this 100% acetone from Sally Beauty Supply, the Beauty Secrets. And I just clean one of those, containers when you buy food. I usually save it for my cats. So I give it some thread here, but this one is clean. It's new, so I'm gonna use it. And you don't have to use too much. And just be careful to don't put in any this sulfur like in your furniture, because this is acetone. So I'm gonna leave it in this side here. Since it's a little wet, I don't want to destroy my bed table, my table. So now I'm gonna soak it here. This one is still give me so hard time. I tried to clean these two so far, but this one, see how fast it's growing up my nails. This one is broken. They was really long, longer than this one. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on that in a minute. I just want to show you in this video how this can work. And according by the video that I watched, you can remove it with this kind of spatula or this one to use something similar. But I'm gonna try myself this. I can use it this one or this one. Either way, it's gonna be perfect to remove. So I'm gonna wait some few minutes, and then Let's see how this works. Oh, wow, look at this. It's easy to remove with the spatula. Just don't do it too hard. You don't want to cut off your nail or remove part of your nail. You see that? See here? Start getting out, losing the color. And it's easy to remove it. And see? Oh, wow, look at this. It's going pretty easy. Let me see if I can put a little bit. You see? It's removed pretty easy with the spatula. Right, I'm gonna soak a little bit more and I'm gonna continue cleaning. Right, after a few more minutes, I remove completely with this, and then I still get a little bit left here and there. I still need to work on this one. I just want to show you how you can, it's still some stubborn little pieces. And I go with, you see, these have two sides. This is the rough, and this is a little bit soft on this side. So I just remove the rest with this side. And then to shine it, this is very soft. And then you can buffer this. And then after you're done with this, you can apply like a cuticle oil or any shiny cuticle clear to brighten it up. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buffer more with this one, which is very soft. What is this? Oh, this one. This one is very soft. It's nothing there. So I'm gonna continue soft with this, and then I'm gonna apply the clear bottom coat, then the color, and then the top coat to make my nails done. So I'm gonna come back when it's done. So I'm gonna keep working on this one. I just want to show you after the removal. You can see the little pieces here and there. This is fantastic. This is working really good. And I help with this, of course, with the spatula to remove it. And at the end, some little stubborn with the file. And then at the end, I put a shiny back my nail with this one, which is very, very, very soft. So you can see here all the dust. That's why I protect my bed sheet with this. I still don't do these hands. I'm gonna working on that in a minute. Look at this one. All of them have like this growing up for 2 months. My nail growing really, really, really fast. Look at this. Now are clear. And I was taking care of my nails so I don't destroy the surface of the nail. So now I'm ready to put a cuticle oil and then do my nails with a regular. I'm gonna be using, as I told you, this one is Morgan and Taylor, and because my school color is green, I'm gonna be using green. Special because also we are almost in Christmas. It's November 14. So let's work on this hand now. Love my nails, and they are very, very strong. People ask me question is they are fake, but no, they are my nails. My nails are very strong, and even though these ones are broken, in 1 week they are gonna be again very long. They're growing very fast. Let's keep doing my nails. Right, I just want to show you how much going out of my nails. And this is when I buffered it a little bit. Those I was a little bit stubborn. And ta-da! I just did it. I did it back my nail, but these one are not gel. Again, it's a regular polish. It's the Morgan and Taylor brand from JCPenney. Morgan and Taylor. I bought it on sales. I paid $2.55. This is my favorite brand. I use Sally Johnson for a while, but Morgan and Taylor and is more durable. And I have from Estee Lauder, Clinique, Chanel, different that coming in promotion or I get individual, but this is the brand that I rather. It's my favorite brand because I noticed that it take longer and I always doing a lot of stuff at home and cleaning. I live alone, so I have to on dogs, on cleaning. I have cats. By the way, here is Elizabeth. Oh, my Gigelina. My baby girl. This is her little... See, I reuse this little place because they are so little. And I put her favorite in bed candies or treat temptations. That is her favorite. So, yeah. Let's wash me back here. So yeah, I hope you like this video. These are my nails now, clean out of gel and with the Morgan and Taylor favorite brand for nails. These are really durable and I got it on JCPenney if you want to buy one. Yeah, and I am in bed, ready to sleep with my little baby cat. She is 7 years old. So yeah, I'm gonna try to posting more videos as I can. I'm very busy, but I'm gonna try to scheduling myself to back to my videos. And let's watch this one pretty soon. I need to edit and post it. Yes, the color of my school, green. Bye, and I hope you like this video again. Subscribe and thank you for watching.